All right, y'all, today I got a super quick fix for you. This panel, some came off the post in the brackets, so we're gonna lift it into posture, add on 3 new brackets, and 3 new 2-foot rail chunks known as scab rails. It's not the prettiest repair, but this fence is old and it's the rental property, which the landlord has assured me will eventually be replaced. So for right now, we're not trying to throw too much good money after bad. So let's get started. So right off the bat, we got our 3 scab boards, screws, brackets. Okay, these brackets are a 7/16 bolt, so we pull that and then reinstall the bolt at our desired height. I'll do that for all 3. Okay, next step, brackets are on. You want to fix the patch board with 1 screw. Some people use bigger bolts for this, but I think you're doubling the chance of splitting the board, and if there's big wind, you kind of want the panel to let go versus pulling your post out of place. All right, I'm gonna do that for the other 2. All right, all 3 of them are in and leveled and have 4 screws per bracket. Brackets are secured. So now I'll go into the neighbor's side and I'll screw through the pickets on both sides once I've got it lifted into proper height, and that'll be a good enough temporary repair for this particular fence. And there you have it. It's not the prettiest repair, but it'll last long enough for this fence to ultimately be replaced. This is probably good for another 24 to 36 months. So that does it. Done.